and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Gargamel back on the scene with Stepper. Grammy-winning artist Buju Banton has released a new dancehall banger dubbed Stepper. The Country for Sale singer announced the new single on Tuesday night via his social media accounts, much to the delight of his loyal fan base. The self-produced single, available on all streaming platforms, features Buju Banton DJing conscious lyrics over a foundation dancehall beat as he encourages the youths to not advocate for violence. Stepper is the follow-up to Buju's first post-prison single, Country for Sale, released back in May, and the second single of his upcoming album due sometime later this year. So far, there is no release date or title for Buju Banton's highly anticipated album.
No make no mistake, confused step and with shatter, man a step and so fine shatter, brain gets splatter. If you think I go ask Bigfoot and fatter, when me say, I ask them, say you a bad man fine, and you no stop and left you one no time.
Now Miss Jamaica World gets hundreds of entries. Premier pageant Miss Jamaica World will select finalists for the 2019 pageant this Sunday, July 21. Following Sunday's elimination, selected finalists will be sashed and presented to the public on Sunday, July 28 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel, then head straight into training before competing in the Beauty with a Purpose, Talent, Fitness, Top Model and Beach Beauty Fast Track events. Meanwhile, the annual beauty pageant also received increasing support, with the number of entrants for this year's staging surpassing the 2018 tally. According to National Director Weston Houghton, the pageant has not only seen an increase in the number of applicants, but has also received more submissions from rural Jamaica. Houghton says this may be a result of the success of the reigning queen, Khadijah Robinson, who is from St. Elizabeth, finishing in the top 5 of the Miss World competition held in Sanya, China, and also securing the title of Miss World Caribbean. The Interlink People's Choice competition returns this year, which gives the public a chance to vote for their favorite contestant via the official Miss Jamaica World website. That's MissJamaicaWorld.com. The Miss Jamaica World 2019 Grand Coronation is scheduled for September. Good luck, girls. Now to news overseas. Jailhouse blues for R. Kelly. Embattled R&B star R. Kelly was denied bail following his arrest on federal sex crime charges last week. A judge ruled on Tuesday that the bump and grind singer will remain in custody while awaiting charges of child pornography, obstruction of justice, kidnapping, forced labor, and other federal charges related to his child sex crimes. According to CNN, R. Kelly pleaded not guilty to all 13 counts and is accused of conspiracy for allegedly paying hundreds of thousands of dollars to recover videos of himself having sex with underage girls. Last week, R. Kelly was also arrested in Chicago in 2 separate federal grand jury indictments, and one in Illinois as well as another in New York. The singer is currently being held in a federal correctional center in Chicago, reportedly in solitary confinement. R. Kelly's next hearing is set for September 4. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.